What do you say, R5 fam? Welcome back. You know what today is? It's an exciting day because today is the day we travel to my brother's house because tomorrow is gear day. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Let's get the heck out of here. Living life on the R5. Hello, JJ. We are off, folks. I'm pretty excited. I just got a phone call and some more good news came the way. My custom plates that I ordered a few weeks back are in, and so I'm heading there right now to pick them up before I go to my brother's house because you got to flex that a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And so it's going to add a little extra time to the trip, but that's okay. I don't mind. I'm pretty excited about it. Along the way, I'm going to show y'all my miles per gallon. I'll show y'all the RPM sitting at 70, and we'll do a comparison on the way home to the new gears. Right now we're rocking 373 gears, and on the way home we should be 513, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're running on fairly flat ground, 71 miles an hour. I have the cruise control set. RPMs, about 2,600 right now. We're getting 14.2 miles per gallon on the average. I think the sign says it all, fellas. Today's the day. Exodus 4x4. We build what? Badass Jeeps. So, I mean, it's kind of exciting. Hopefully, when the old Jeep comes out today, it'll be a little better than it was going in. So stay tuned when we get new gears. Talk to you later. Back in the truck. Gears are in. Got to do a little braking on the way home. Got to drive for 15 minutes. Let it cool off for about 30. Got to do that a few times. But besides that, we're on the way back home, back to the ranch to see JJ. It's been 6 days since I got my gears changed out at Exodus 4x4, and let me tell you, the experience was fantastic. My review on the gears is still up in the air. It's a little different than what I thought it might be. I went from 373s to 513 gears, and man, I hate to tell y'all, but it's better than I thought it would be. Man, my Jeep is shifting fantastic. It's like I drove it off the lot when it was stock. It's smooth, it's efficient. I'm working on my gas mileage right now. I've got it set on 70, and we're taking about a 100-mile trip back home. So on the way up here, it was 14.3 miles per gallon for 99 miles. So we'll compare that when I get home. We'll see what the difference is. I don't know if it'll be a huge difference, but I'm going to take it. If it's 15 and a half, I'm going to make that a win all day in my book. But right now, just from driving it for the past 6-7 days, the way it shifts, the way it's operating, man, it's great. I stay in 8th gear most of the time, so I'm very, very happy and pleased with Exodus 4x4 and the gears that they added to the Jeep. And I got some fantastic differential covers too. I can't wait to show you all that. That came as part of the package. But I'll put a link in the description and a phone number for them guys down in the comments below, so you guys check it out in the description. But when you get there, talk to Ryan, man. He's an upstanding dude, and he'll get you set straight. So give them a call today and get your gears changed out. They're in New Braunfels, Texas. I'm not sponsored by them, by the way, nor do they pay me to put this ad out. I'm just happy, so I believe in promoting good people that are doing a good work. So anyway, go check them out. I'll get back with you in a second. Guys, we're back at the farm. We made it safe. Tell you what, after the entire trip is over, I got 15.3 miles per gallon with the 513 gears. With the 373 gears on the way up, I got an average of 14.3. So that's netted me a mile per gallon difference and an increase. And I'm pretty excited about that. Not only that, the excitement of the Jeep feeling just strong. Man, it feels quick, it feels strong. I got a lot of power, it feels like, back into my Jeep after adding those tires on the 373s. It felt sluggish, slow, felt weak, and all of that has been restored. So you know what, shout out to you, Exodus 4x4. Y'all have a motto that says y'all make bad A Jeeps, and you know what, you continue to keep mine in that situation. Guys, I got a new video coming out pretty soon, so if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to tell you how I built this Jeep on nothing but marketplace parts, and I've saved a ton of money. Don't miss out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Catch you on the next one.